Yes, hello, good morning, children, first class children. Have you done the exams? So, I hope all the exams had completed very successfully and you have done the exam very well. And how was the papers all? It's very easy for you? Oh, very nice. Okay. So, I hope all the papers have done very neat and tidy, isn't it? So, you have to submit the papers in the front office. Had you submitted the papers? Okay. So, we had completed the XA ఎగ్జామ్స్ అవునా ఎక్స్ఏ ఎగ్జామ్స్ మనది ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఎఫ్ఏ రాసాము ఎఫ్ఏ తర్వాత ఎస్ఏ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కూడా అయిపోయింది ఓకే సో ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తాము ఈ రోజు క్లాస్లో అంటే మనం మళ్ళీ నేర్చుకున్న వర్డ్స్ కొన్ని లెసన్ల న్యూ వర్డ్స్ నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా అవి నేను మళ్ళీ మీకు అందరికీ నేర్పిస్తాను ఓకే సో యూ డోంట్ ఫీల్ దట్ టీచర్ వీ హ్యాడ్ కంప్లీటెడ్ ద ఎగ్జామ్ అగైన్ ద వర్డ్స్ ఆర్ రిపీటెడ్ నాట్ చిల్డ్రన్ just only for the practice. Okay, we have to practice until unless I should have to start the new lesson. Before I start the new lesson, you should be well practiced in all the familiar words. Okay, so when I start the words, then you don't feel that teacher this lesson is completed, that lesson is completed, already you had given those hard words. No, these are why teacher is giving for the practice purpose. Okay, so don't sit idle at home, keep on doing the practice, and just lesson reading is very most important. If you are very good in reading, then you can write question answers very neat in the exam. Okay, so you can attempt for the next exam also very perfectly. Okay, are you all ready children? First class అర్థమవుతుందా టీచర్ ఏమన్నది ఓకే సో ఏమంటారు నేను మీకు జరిగిన లెసన్లో హార్డ్ వర్డ్స్ కొన్ని హార్డ్ వర్డ్స్ ఉంటుంది కదా అవన్నీ మీకు పెట్టిస్తాను అన్నీ కలిపి ఇస్తాను నేను హార్డ్ వర్డ్స్ సో డైలీ మీరు అవి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి దానివల్ల మీకు ఏమవుతుంది లెసన్ రీడింగ్ ఏ లెసన్ మమ్మీ డాడీ మీకు చదువుకోమంటే ఈజీగా చదవడానికి మీకు ఈజీ అవుతుంది ఓకే సో ఆర్ యూ ఆల్ రెడీ జస్ట్ రైట్ త్రీ టైమ్స్ ఇన్ యువర్ రఫ్ నోట్ నాట్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్ వర్క్ టీచర్ విల్ సెండ్ ఇన్ ద మెసేజ్ ఆర్ ఐదర్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సెషన్ దిస్ క్లాస్ యూట్యూబ్ నుంచి మీరు కాపీ చేసుకొని రఫ్ నోట్లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి ఓకే సో ఐ హోప్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఈస్ రెడీ విత్ యువర్ సైన్స్ క్లాస్ వర్క్ నోట్ బుక్ if you are keeping with your rough notes you don't carry your science class work now right now let me start with the oral drilling practice okay so first of all let me start with the fruits spell the word of fruits fruits fruit this is split handing no cursive handing children fruits vegetables 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 right okay now third one what is that the next one junk food spell the word of junk 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 food food junk food fourth one what is the fourth one pizza is a healthy food no teacher it is a junk food burger spell the word of burger burger pronunciation is very most important children the next one is we'll go for genders means yes you can see the what boy and girl that is called what that is masculine and feminine we used to learn isn't it so they are called what genders okay they are all come under genders humans are come under what genders male and female genders are nothing but male and female okay we had learned isn't it male male what is the meaning of male boy male ki evaru antamo boys ki emanali male okay ninth one female 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 right the next one sense organ SC sense organs ORGANS sense organs okay the next one spell the word of tongue 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 next one shelter 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 the next one is we'll go with the big animals big animals big animals herbs HERBS herbs, shrubs, 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 thorns, 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 thorns. Okay, so how many words I had given to you all? 16. Now listen here. Fruits, spell the word of fruits. Fruits, fruits. Spell the word of vegetables. Vegetables, vegetables. Junk food, junk, junk, food, food, junk food. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Spell the word of burger. burger, burger. Genders, spell the word of genders. genders, genders. Humans, humans, humans. Male, male, male. So male and female comes under what? Genders. They are nothing but they are genders. Okay, which comes under humans. Okay. The next one, female. Spell the word of female. Female, female, female. Sense organs, sense, organs, organs, sense organs. The next one, tongue. Spell the word of tongue. tongue, tongue. Shelter, shelter, shelter. Big animals. Which animals are big animals? Elephant, giraffe, camel or big animals, right? So let's spell the word of big. B-I-G, big. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, big animals. Herbs, H-E-R-B-S, herbs. Shrubs, S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. Thorns, T-H-O-R-N-S, thorns. Okay. So today teacher gave how many words for you children? 16 hard words. How many hard words I gave? 16. Okay. So what you should do? What will you do? Teacher, we are getting bored of writing this thing. No, teach children. You should not say like that. Because if you go for this type of practice, so your lesson reading will be very, very perfect. Okay, that's the reason teacher is practicing more for you. In this way, hard words. Okay, so all the lessons hard words will be jumbled. I will be giving daily 15 hard words. Please keep on doing the practice at home in your rough notebook, children. Okay, until the new lesson I started. Okay, so hope so this class is very clear for you. Next session will start with again next 15 hard words. Okay, thank you children.